That's awesome. Got a lot of good stuff here. Famous Bowl used to be like my favorite.
Oh, I forgot they had corn in it.
Damn, that looks bad. Holy fuck.
It looks bad too. It kind of like it's been sitting outside.
This looks gross. I don't think I could do it, dude. It does have the texture of an eraser.
Like it bounced back on
Yeah, his came with a drink.
I use yours. They just said that that's the head and that's just like arms and legs.
Oh, no.
You can see it?
Never realized that.
Harvey, tell us about your experience working at KFC.
It's nasty. Greasy.
Tell us more.
People suck. Fucking slow as shit. I fucking hate it. That's sweet.
Sweet?
It's sweet. The sandwich, it's not bad.
Oh, it's not bad.
I mean,
Again now.
I like the box. It stands out from the other stuff.
It's green. So what do you rate it?
I'm gonna probably give it like a 4.5.
5?
Yeah, I'll give it a 5. Yeah, I'm gonna try the root chicken or whatever this is. I don't know. Look at that.
There's a difference though.
Right, it's like you can totally tell like the fibers are like broken away.
Yep. I tried.
Oh, this one's
I just think like the chicken is like white.
Yeah.
It's like green.
So that's the difference?
Yeah, you can tell.
That's awesome.
That's like the first time I tried like vegan shit.
What does it look like?
Wood.
Wood.
Like when you chop them, you see like the inside.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know that I've tried too much like Beyond Meat stuff either.
Oh, it's a vegetarian.
Yeah,
Oh,
David.
I know that. Okay.
Alright.
That's why it came like in green.
That's why it's called Beyond Chicken.
Oh, I didn't really box.
Oh, that's what you said. Made from plants.
Yeah.
So Harvey, what score did you give it?
I'll give it a 5.
Plus a 5. Okay, divide that by 3. So we've got a 4.83. 4.8 for the score out of 10 because we averaged it out between you three.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
I wonder how they make it.
I know how.
Okay, so here's how they make it. Here are the ingredients in that. Some of them at least. Okay. They replace the chicken with a plant-based meat-like product. Apparently it has pea protein mix with soy, rice flour, carrot fiber, yeast extract, vegetable oil, salt, onion, and garlic powder. To me, because chicken's like pretty healthy. I mean, KFC's probably not that healthy, but like...
Well, I guess when you deep fry it.
Right.
Yeah.
But I guess it's for people that don't eat meat.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I don't think they're trying to be healthy.
Have you ever ate the Impossible Whopper
No. What is that?
from Burger King?
Is that Burger King?
Is it made out of plants too?
Yeah.
No, I don't buy it. Oh, shit.
Tell me more.
David, have you tried it?
No, I haven't. I want to though. We should try it when it comes back on the Is it still on the menu?
I think it should still be on. I was just gonna see how it is compared to this.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not down for like things that are,
Vegan?
well, if I want chicken nuggets, I'm gonna have chicken
Yeah,
nuggets.
chicken nuggets.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not
true.
gonna have carrots and
Yeah.
soy and rice.
I bought like chicken nuggets for
Yes.
reason that plant nuggets.
Right. Eugene, this is your favorite restaurant.
You give it a thumbs down.
You give these a thumbs down?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not finger licking good.
Yeah.
More like throw it away.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah.
You get a 4.8.
You really not gonna try?
No, I don't eat fast food.
It's like a bite. You
No.
see it on something.
Nah, I had a fast food addiction. That's why I fucking lost 20 pounds by not eating fast food because... But I have a weird, fucked up, weird obsession with fast food. I love fast food. That's why I love bringing the viewers the latest and greatest. I mean, if you ever think in our lifetime we'd see chicken nuggets made out of plants?
Crazy.
It's mind-blowing, Eugene.
I wonder what they're gonna do next.
It's hard to say. But yeah, I mean...
Yeah, that filled me up. Not a good way. I feel like throwing up, actually. Yeah, I'm about to blow up the bathroom.
Like dog shit. I don't know.
Dog shit?
Yeah.
No. When you put it like that, I mean, that's just different.